guys, I'm Chris Whitty from Real Avid. I want to go through with you some of our new products for 2019, starting with the Master Cleaning Station. So we came out with the smart mats quite a while back. They've kind of re-energized the mat market for gun cleaning. It's a neoprene mat with oil resistant, chemical resistant, and what we've done is attach that to a Master Cleaning Station that opens up. This one is specific for the AR15. We also make them for universal, and we also have a handgun version. Comes with the 223, 556 scrapers, jags. We've got the bolts, the star chamber pads, rods. It also will walk you through how to break down your BCG, kind of step by step, showing you how to take it apart and put it back together. And that's the same for universal and handgun. The nice thing about this as well is when you're done, you close it up, you roll it up, and it fits in a nice case just like this. Everything all together, all as one. Stash it away, take it out again when you use it. Everything there's when you need it.